Hi, my name is Randolph from Fusion Ionz, and today I'll be showing you how to wear one of our adjustable wristbands. We have two different kinds of wristbands. We have the Fusion Black series as well as the Fusion Sport Adjustable. Both of these will work with this tutorial. To start, push the metal piece through any one of the holes, whichever one is the most comfortable. Once it is clicked in, slide the rubber looper keeper over the metal piece, holding it into the hole firmly. We recommend wearing the band as often as possible, even when you're asleep or in the shower. The only time we recommend taking it off is when you get into chlorinated water, such as a swimming pool or a hot tub, as this can damage the silicone. Thank you for watching, and thanks for being a Fusion Ionz customer.
Hi! Fusion Ionz has been a world leader in circulation boosting medical devices since 2011. Now, we need your help. We are in the process of creating new cutting-edge products, and we need your open and honest opinion. You get free product, and we get your feedback. It's as simple as that. Interested? If so, go to free.fusionionz.com and register to be a product tester. Spots are very limited. Thank you for your time, and thank you for being a Fusion Ionz customer.